What is up? Welcome back to the freaking channel. Welcome back to parts. We have parts from B-Rogue, and we have this thing. We have our Dragy. So I've had this for a while. I just completely forgot that I had it, and we had no idea how to use it. So we're gonna put these intakes from B-Rogue in the Lambo, and then we're gonna take the Hellcat Redeye Widebody. What do you think, bud?
I don't know. We gotta stick to stuff that works with gas, because this is a computer Dragy thing.
Yeah, what do you do?
Not super ideal. Lots of things you gotta know.
I think it's pretty easy.
Yeah, we can figure it out. It's not gonna be a big deal at all.
Look at all this stuff. Dude, lots of things.
Anything good? Oh, money.
Boom! Check out Bud!
Oh, you talk about a mask for a car show. This thing is it.
Right, your mouth sticks out underneath it, so it does everything.
You still catch the COVID with your tongue.
Yeah.
No,
Yep.
this thing is mint.
Yeah, I got two of them. One for each of us. Okay, here's the other thing we got. Boom. B-Rogue. Okay, that's probably the coolest part. There's literally nothing better than that. Look at that thing. Bad to the bone. All right, so what we were waiting for. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Got our filters. Check these out. So these are B-Rogue.
You're not supposed to touch them. You're going to get fingerprints on them.
That's fine. I'll probably drop something on them anyway.
Mount the flag or something.
Yeah. Do we tell them about the thing and the stuff that we're going to try to do with this car, or do we kind of just...
I think, yeah, we should, because especially with Texas 2K right now, like that all happening, people are interested in those kind of world records.
We'll show them. I've got some video here. Did we put it up in our video from B-Rogue where we talked about this?
I think there was, I think we led on to it.
Boomtown. All right, so we are at B-Rogue. Bud, you've never been to B-Rogue.
I've never been to B-Rogue.
Yeah, and it's been like 4 years, I think, since I've been here.
Now I get it.
You get it. We got the guard dog.
What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
You too.
How long's it been? Oh, I saw you at Crown.
Yeah.
But my car hasn't been out here.
Yeah, it's been a long time. It's been a few years.
And we got to make some decisions here because
things are happening that maybe might be a little bit different than we originally thought.
look at all this stuff.
I know. This is absolutely insane.
We need to live closer to here.
I'm down.
Yeah, they take all of our money.
It's a lot easier than moving to like Utah.
Yeah.
All of it.
You can take all of everyone's money, right?
Yeah, you have no need for it.
Yeah.
I don't even have a car that he would technically work on, and I want him to take my money.
Welcome back. All right, so you guys have probably seen this before. Oh my goodness. So you're mainly looking for pre-LP Gallardos to work on, right?
Yeah, it's our favorite car.
This is Brandy owns B-Rogue, and you're the independent owner?
Me and my wife.
And so they've rallied with us before. They've been on Crown Rally. I've been coming here. Well, I haven't had a car out here for quite a few years, but I follow everything they're doing. They're always doing crazy, like crazy, completely custom. There's not a place that you go and you just order and you just buy these pieces, which is it's insane, and it's more than just like it's like a work of art.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Yeah.
But yeah, these things are badass. They make a lot of power, and obviously anything with turbos is fun. So,
do we need to do turbos on my car? I don't have the money. I'm poor. I spent all my money on my car. So.
And you haven't really stopped since you started.
Yeah.
Spending money on it. I mean, it's been an.
It got dropped off to yesterday.
Yeah, it's been an ongoing adventure.
Yeah. There's always something else we can do though. There's some.
So how can we? Because we can't. We're not gonna be able to like break records with my car because I can't touch. The turbo guys are nuts. Like.
Yeah.
The Koi Christmases, the you guys, the cars you build are insane.
Yeah. Turbos are hard to keep up with if you don't have turbos. But there's like a record that everyone's been kind of chasing undisclosed, like that people haven't been able to break. Going after 9s on an NA car is a target that a lot of people have been going after, and no one's done it yet. So.
No one's done it yet.
I have an NA car.
Yeah. A lightweight NA car.
And mine's lighter than a 610?
Yeah.
Even without the all-wheel drive?
Even with that, yes. Right. Yeah, the 580's got a lot of weight out. Even without the drivetrain, there's some benefits to that cars.
And I have a one-piece carbon seat.
Yes.
that's just sitting there. All it needs is a
Get
mount.
it as light as you need it to be. That might be something to think about.
Do you want to do it with me? For me?
I mean, I'm always game for crazy stuff.
This is us committing
We're
right
committing.
now to this car breaking the 10-second mark in the quarter mile.
9 seconds. Into the nines.
Get into the 9. So breaking out of 10 into 9. No turbos, no
turbos.
superchargers.
Yeah, so we're working with B-Rogue out of Illinois, and we are, as you guys know, I had my exhaust from B-Rogue on my Gallardo, and it was it was absolutely incredible. Now, my Huracan does have exhaust already, and it is tuned.
But
we don't know what tune it is, and it doesn't shoot flames. The problem is there's these things that kind of stop the flames, and they're, for like off-road use, we're not going to take those out, but we're going to put it... Track only.
Track only.
Yeah, so now we got 2 track only cars.
And the limo should probably only be driven off-road, but that's a different story.
Should we take it off-roading?
Yeah.
Just stay tuned for what we're going to be doing, because I'm going to let Brandon kind of give the whole breakdown, because I'll probably screw it up.
So the theory is, if this all goes as planned, this could be the fastest naturally aspirated Lamborghini Huracan in the world.
The other thing we've got right now is, where did our thing go?
Which one?
Our Dragy. And we'll see who's is faster
There you
with
go.
no traction.
Like it.
Yeah.
Rear-wheel drive, cold weather.
All right, let's put the intakes in first. In 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. What was your game plan with these? Just send them all out and... Did you hear that?
I heard it all the way to the bottom of the car. Didn't fall out. I didn't hear it hit concrete. I know that.
Where do you think that went?
Well, that's a good question. And
So we have our first major problem. Well, I wouldn't say it's a major problem.
No, don't
See
over-exaggerate.
that center thing? It's bent to the side. So we need a hammer for sure. This is for sure not the right way to do this, right?
New.
As long as we don't bend the fenders a ton.
Like where we're leaning?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not even touching the fender.
Oh, me neither. Should we try to get that screw out of here first? All right, so now I have to go fishing for the parts that Bud lost. I took all the bolts out.
Here we go.
I took all the bolts out. Bud takes one. You should just not let me touch any of this.
I'm going to start my own YouTube channel. Just to show everybody how to do things the right way. That does look better.
That looks better. I can't tell the difference. Should we leave all the carbon off?
Yeah.
That carbon's not doing anything.
No, and it's just going to cover up all that space.
Yeah. Yeah. Should we start it?
I think it's going to sound like screws getting thrown around.
Oh yeah.
That sounds good.
Oh yeah. How do we do? It's so scary.
God.
I don't know why it's doing that.
Like it's not holding?
Right. We're just gonna pin it.
Are you in the wrong setting? Course of sports route.
No, we're good. Oh, it's terrifying.
Do you think shifting.
I have no idea what's happening. Like, you mean just floor it?
Yeah, but I mean, no, but I mean like let it shift for itself.
Maybe.
I mean, it's gonna give you the best, I think.
So your 0 to 60 was 3.6 seconds. I mean, that's fast. Quarter mile was 11.3.
That's quick on the street.
That's quick on the street.
All right, it's about 55 degrees, and we just went out and did the first, those are the first ever at all launches. We didn't use launch control because I don't know how to yet exactly, but 55 degrees on P0s. And we're gonna go run the Hellcat and we're gonna see 55 degrees, basically no prep, no nothing. Neither of us know.
On both of our cars, the worst possible tires that we can run.
So there's no way
That any of these numbers are.
What did we get to in this?
0 to 60 was like 3.5, and I think we were like 11.50 in the quarter.
That's what the Dragy said, so that's not terrible.
No, I mean, yeah. All right, it's getting a little late for hood ratting. Bud's on 22-inch freaking donks.
Yeah, basically Oregon Trail,
We've got the Dragy set up on our custom Dragy build,
which we're gonna show.
we're gonna
have to
do our whole own video on it. What are we doing here? What's this bad?
So I got the power 797. I got transmission and track. I got paddle shifters on, not that I'm going to use them. I got traction in street, so I can possibly hook up. Suspension in street, so that it'll actually load up the rear suspension when I get on it. It'll be a little softer. We're gonna see what happens. 19 Hellcat Redeye wide body.
All that.
All those things.
We got Waze, so I can keep an eye on that. It's off to the hood wrap.
Here, do it right here.
I would say it's good
All right,
as
ready?
anywhere.
Hit that thing.
Yep. Go. Good. I lied, that's 1,000 foot. But your 1,000 foot was 1039. 0 to 60 is 476. Yeah, I had you cut out early. I panicked.
Oh, that's fine. I'm just gonna see if I can get this thing to hook. I mean, forget the quarter mile.
Yeah, and we'll try it. We'll see if we can find 60 foot.
Should I try launch control?
Yeah.
Ready?
Shoot, I'm ready when you are. Launch control.
Yeah, that does me no good. Here, try it again.
Stop sign.
What was that saying for 0 to 60?
4.84. That scared me. 4.72. No traction.
Nope.
Well, even with letting off there, the quarter mile time was still 13.14.
Well, see, that's the thing. Once it's hooking, it goes.
Bud!
Tires.
Got a champion of the world here. All right, so Bud's car is stupid fast, but the tires spin a lot.
Yeah.
And you're not on a 40-degree drag racing setup.
No, I'm not. But either way, I mean, it helps. You got a rear engine, rear-wheel drive, and it hooked.
Yeah.
I mean, you were doing, what, 0 to 60 in 3.5?
Yeah, for
Those, I mean, for this weather,
with this weather. So here's our Dragy setup. We've got an iPad mini. We've got our Dragy mounted to the back of it on the magnet right there. And then we've got a C-Sucker. It's actually like a GoPro phone mount kit. Super heavy duty. And now we can take this. We should drag you the limo.
We can do everything now.
What do you think it would do?
It might be faster than mine because it'll hook up.
On Bud's last pull, your 0 to 60 was like 4.75.
Yep.
Because all it does is spin tires. He let off at 1,000 feet and it was still 13.1.
Yeah, I mean, once it's able to actually hook up, it'll do what it needs to do, but it just doesn't. I mean,
right.
And I'm running, like I said, the tire. I'm running 22s with 25 profile tire. I mean, it's not meant for what we're doing.
Right. So, in the conditions that we ran into today,
Lamborghini wins.
Check out our intakes. Huge shout out to Bud.
That's probably why.
It is the intakes.
Yeah,
this
see,
was a 14-second car.
See, this is the problem. I'm over here helping you go fast, and I haven't done nothing to my car.
Yeah, and then we race right
Yeah,
afterwards.
jeez.
You're an idiot when it comes to racing. I haven't raced somebody in forever. Like, it scares the crap out of me thinking of going in front of people and trying to run that thing down a strip.
Yeah.
With those walls, like, right next to you.
Yeah.
It's going to be interesting. This is a whole new world for... We're used to rallying in, like, pretty high speed, very, very... like, you have to be very... What is it called? Attentive?
Yeah,
attentive driving.
It's a different skill. It's just a different style of driving. I mean, when we're going road course kind of, I mean, from Chicago to Minnesota or wherever, I mean, we're moving, but...
Yeah, like right at the speed limit or double.
Right, yeah.
Doing those hits in this car scared the crap out of me.
It moves.
It's fun. Super fun. So huge shout out to B-Rogue. This is just the first little step of what we're doing with B-Rogue. It's going to be
insane.
It's going to be cool.
Yeah.
I'm super excited. My season just started for my construction company. So I've got to get some money first that I can send to him because this car takes, well, all of it. The wheels are going on in 2 days. We'll see if they fit.
Are they heavier than these or lighter?
They're faster.
Well, we're going to have to do the Dragy again and find out.
Yeah, in the limo.
In the limo.
Yeah, for sure. I think that's it. What else you got?
That's all I got.
Lamborghini's #1, baby! Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Buy some merch.
Please.
Should we drop some new merch?
Ooh.
Do you think they can handle it?
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty much... It's kind of the slogan for our lifestyle.
We're going to make them wait.
All right.
One more. All right. Stay tuned. Peace.